I am Jesse Stevens. I am the Underground Solutions Manager at Lanz Underground Solutions.
Now, Jesse, in the past, we've talked a lot about how Lanz Underground Solutions will come in and do a camera inspection of the sewer line. Can you just give someone who doesn't understand exactly what that is, explain what that is, and then we can talk about why that's important?
Yeah, so what we have are specialized sewer cameras. We have multiple different sizes, from the size of a pencil all the way up to remote-controlled crawler cameras that we can drive down, big pipes. We can televise the sewers, the drain lines, find out what's wrong with them, and then offer the right solutions to the customer.
So the customer can physically see what's going on in their pipe. So they can see this is where a hole is or isn't, or this is where roots are.
Yep. We have physical proof of what's happening anywhere in their line. If we can get the camera to it, we can see it, and then we can actually electronically locate it. So then we can find their sewer line, whether it's out in the road, in their yard, wherever it's at, we can see. We can show them the problem, and then we can offer the correct solutions.
Why is getting that camera inspection so important?
Honestly, it gives them the validation. If they're going to spend money, it validates why they're spending the money. Water repair, sewer repair, drain line repair, they're all expensive. You're really looking at bringing out a specialized technician to make the repairs on your pipes. And so you're going to be spending your hard-earned money on it. You want to see it. That's why we like to televise and camera the sewer lines or drain lines to show our customers, here's what's wrong, here's where it's at, and here is your option. You want to have that evidence before you're going to spend money.
Once you see that, what are the different options for someone? Because for the layman, before I started working with you, I thought, man, if I need sewer repair, I got to get my yard dug up. I have to have a trench the entire length of the pipe. I have to have the entire thing removed and the entire thing replaced. That's not the case. What are some of those options for people?
You are correct. Yeah. So we've got many different options. So we have your traditional excavation and repair. We have 3 or 4 different size excavators. So we've got little bitty ones all the way up to big ones, so we can handle any size job. One of the things that we really have moved towards for customers is our trenchless solutions. So we can go in and do a internal spot liner. It's very much like a stent for a blood vessel. We can go in your sewer line and seal up a hole that might be under your house or your driveway or even the road, or we can reline. It's kind of like putting a sleeve in your sewer line. We can reline the entire sewer line from the house to the city main. No more tree roots. You don't have to worry about costly, expensive repairs. And most times we're done way quicker with no mess than a traditional excavation. So you get lots of options with Lanz, and we tailor fit those options to your budget and to your problem.
And like you were saying earlier, with that camera inspection, you can locate exactly where the issue is, and you're not playing guesswork and replacing an entire thing when you might just need to put in a patch or clean out some roots.
Yes, you are correct. We've gone to hundreds of homes and put a camera in there, and let's just say the homeowner's like, well, I was always told my sewer line ran over here and it was bad out here. When we put the camera down the line, we actually show the homeowner, no, this is where your sewer line goes. We can electronically locate it, and we can show you the inside of it, and then we can say, nope, you know what, that side of your house, that side of your sewer line looks great. We only need to go in and repair this one spot. So now you don't have to spend an arm and a leg on repairing and rehabilitating that sewer line. Really, overall, the number one recommendation that we have with everyone out there is, do you know where your sewer, water, or drain lines are? Have you been shown what's going on with those sewer or drain lines? That's why at Lanz we offer the camera inspections. That's why we offer the trenchless underground solutions, so that we can come over to your house or building, property, school, doesn't matter what size building, what size line it is, we come over, we can put a camera down it, we can show you what's going on, and then we can offer you many different options, from trenchless pipe lining. We can do spot lining repairs. We can, replace your whole line. We have lots of options that can fit your situation, your budget, and your sewer or drain line.
And again, this all goes back to the importance of getting that camera inspection, because the last thing anyone wants to do is pay for something they don't need, or have a misconception of, oh, this is going to be a simple fix, and then realize maybe it's worse. But with this camera inspection, there isn't any guesswork. You can see, oh, there's roots here or there's a hole here. And so that to me seems like the first step. What's the best way for people to take that first step?
Honestly, it is giving us a call at 217-355-5512, or you can contact Lanz through the website. You can message us through Podium. But the biggest thing is call Lanz Drain Cleaning and Underground Solutions today, 217-355-5512. Let us know, hey, I need to know where my sewer line runs and what shape it's in, and we will get the right technicians over there with all the latest televising equipment. We can find your line, show you what's going on, and then that way the truth and transparency is right there where you can see.